Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Solution for All. Friends, today we are going to know about a totally new concept, that is algebra. You don't have any clue about algebra, but you know about arithmetic, that we have already read that arithmetic deals in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on to. We know about geometry also, that deals in shapes. Fine, but what is algebra? Okay, so let's see. I want to make a triangle. I have some ice cream sticks and I want to make a triangle. So see, by using these 3 ice cream sticks, I can make a triangle. Fine. By using these 3 ice cream sticks, I can make a triangle. So for making one triangle, we need 3 ice cream sticks. For making one triangle, for one triangle, 3 sticks are needed. Okay, I want to make 5 triangles. 5 triangles. So how many sticks are needed? 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 sticks. Fine. Now, if I have to make a large number of triangles, like n, means I don't know how many numbers of triangles I have to make, but I have to make a huge amount of triangles. So, I am taking that for n triangles, how many sticks are needed? So we can say 3 multiplied by n. For one triangle, 3 sticks. So for 9 triangles, 3 multiplied by n, that is 3n. So what is this 3n? This 3n is called algebraic expression. Fine. This 3n is called algebraic expression, where this 3 is constant. This 3 is constant. 3 is a number. So value of 3 cannot change. The value of cannot change, that means it is constant. Fine. And what about n? You can change the value of n. Means in place of n, you can take 3 triangles, you can take 5 triangles, you can take 9 triangles, you can take 100 triangles. Whatever is needed, according to that you can change the number of triangles. So n can change things. This is called variable. So an algebraic expression is made up of 2 things. First is number, that is constant, and second is alphabet, that is variable, that value can change. Fine. So this is algebraic expression. Fine. Yes. Now the thing is that where we use algebra. So we use algebra for making rules. We use algebra for making rules. What are the rules? Now see. You know that commutative property. Commutative property of numbers. What is this? 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. That means order of numbers cannot change the result of a number. Fine. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So we can generalize, make the rule, make the formula. In place of 3, we can write A. In place of 4, we can write B. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now you can put any number at the place of A and any number at the place of B and find it, and it will be correct. So this is the formula. We can use algebra, we can use variables to fix fix a rule. Variables to fix a rule. Fine. Second commutative property for multiplication is that like 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. You can write it A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. No any changes there. Now come to distributive property. What is distributive property? Distributive property tells like 3 multiplied by 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 5. We can generalize the rule. We can write A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is the use of algebra. This is the use of variable to fix a rule, to make a rule so that calculation can be easy. Now the thing is that how can you form an algebraic expression? Okay, so I am telling you that the cost of a notebook is 5 more than the 3 times of the cost of a pen. Fine. I am writing the situation here. Cost of a notebook is 5 more than 3 times of the cost of a pen. Fine. So how can you make an algebraic expression here? So first of all, we don't know anything. We don't know the cost of notebook. We don't know the cost of pen. Only we know the relation between the cost of pen and cost of notebook. So we can write here, let the cost of pen is X. Fine. Cost of pen is X. So 3 times of the cost of pen is equal to 3 times means 3 multiplied by X, that is 3X. Now 5 more than 3X is equal to 3X plus 5. This is the cost of notebook. So we can say that cost of notebook is 3X plus 5. Cost of notebook is 3X plus 5. This is called algebraic expressions. Here what are the things? This is a variable. This is a constant. This is also a constant. And this is mathematical operation, that is addition operation. So 3x plus 5, 3 is a constant, x is a variable, plus is a mathematical operation, 5 is a constant, and this whole third term is known as algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression, means you can find the cost, you can find the age, you can find the quantity of anything in relation to establish relation between constant and variable. So this is algebraic expression. Now if I tell that the cost of, if I tell that the cost of notebook is, I tell the cost of notebook is 35, then we can write 3x plus 5 is equal to 35. Now just observe this equal sign. This is equal sign. This part you can say left hand side, another name LHS. This side is called right hand side, another name RHS. Fine. So in this left hand side, LHS is there, RHS is there, and equal sign is there. These three things are there. So this is called equation. This is known as equation or algebraic equation. Same thing is there, no problem. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 35 is an equation. If equation is given, that time the value of variable is fixed. There will be only one value of the variable. Let's see how can we find out the value of variable. Fine. How can we find out the value of variable? So 3x plus 5 is equal to 35. We can do here 3x plus 5, and this side we will put minus 5. If left side we are putting minus 5, right side also we have to put minus 5. Fine. So 3x plus 5 minus 5, that is 0. So here it will be 3x is equal to 30. Fine. Now 3x divided by 3, left hand side. So 30 divided by 3, right hand side. Now 3 1 ja 3. Now see, 3x means 3 multiply by x upon 3, and here 30 you can write 10 multiply by 3 upon 3. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, here 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So finally we got x is equal to 10. Finally we got x is equal to 10. This x is equal to 10 is the solution of 3x plus 5 is equal to 35. Means x is equal to 10. For this equation, value of x will always be 10. No other value of x is possible here. Means cost of pen is rupees 10 only in this case. If the cost of notebook is rupees 35, then the cost of pen is rupees 10 only. No any change is there. So this is called equation, and this x is equal to 10 is called the solution of equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 35. So by this way we all understood that what is constant, what is variable, what is algebraic expressions, what are the uses of algebraic expressions, how can you find out, how can you make an algebraic expressions, what are the uses of algebra, that how can you fix a formula, how can you solve an equation. All these things we saw in this video. In next video I will solve the sums based on this algebra. Till then, bye bye and have a happy day. Thank you.